All right, today we'll be doing an install video for removing the 3942 stock Tuttio forks off of your Tuttio and installing the brand new ride or die 45, 48, much beefier set of forks.
So in a way, it's not an installation video at all. It's a de-installation.
First, we're going to show you how to take your Tuttio apart because it's not as straightforward as the razors. So let's get to it.
Let's do it. For this, to take the wheel off, you need a 14 millimeter and a 17 millimeter. If you're trying to use standard size sockets, and you're gonna strip it. So while you're doing that, watch where your spacers go. If you lose them, you're gonna have a bad day. Also, the weight is gonna shift. So I'm gonna take my two spacers that came off, put them back on the axle where they go.
Ooh,
look at that.
That's
way,
a little hack.
They are organized and ready for when we put everything else back on.
Nice. Next, let's take the brakes off. You're going to take the front and rear brake off the handlebars. This is an 8 millimeter socket. And I'm just going to pop that off and use the same Youngblood hack. And I'm going to put those back together so we don't lose anything. This is a 3 millimeter for that cable management clip. Just loosen that off. Throw that on the ground.
Okay, and then remove the caliper.
That's
just a 5 mil.
Is that a 5? That's a 5. Take your caliper off the forks and just let that hang.
So you can see this is a safety cable to cut the controller off if you pull the rear brake. That runs through the head tube and to the controller. We'll get to that soon.
Okay.
All right, next we're just going to pop the fender off. There's 3 bolts on the other underside of your triple clamp that hold that on, and you'll see that the wires are coming out on the back side. So number 5 millimeter again, 3 bolts. No need to hurry.
What if I don't want to take my fender off?
You're gonna have to. All right, there it is. Now you can see the wires coming out of the bottom.
Let's get a look at those.
Okay, so we have already edited this Tuttio once, so your wires will be tucked back in here nicely. You'll have to drop these number 6 millimeters, pull the controller slightly out, and unclip the wire, the zip tie. But this is your brake safety cutoff, and then this is your throttle. So you want to kind of pull these 2 out real easy.
Real gentle.
Right? Don't pull it from back here because they're not very strong wires. So just be careful doing it and just wiggle it. Now we're out. Everything's free to go back up in here.
All right, show me how to get the wires out of my head tube.
Okay, so do we want to shove them all up in there at once? We do not. Just pull them out of it one at a time, starting at the top. Don't yank. If it gets stuck, figure out why. All right, comes out nicely out of the top when it wants to be nice. And now our rear brake is completely free, and our throttle will be free momentarily. We will reuse the rear brake and put it back on later. So, quick tip, the more weight we remove off the front, it's going to cause the whole thing to shift off the bike stand. So just make sure you're balanced, check it before you start removing stuff because you will dump it.
I just dump it.
We are now at a number 6 on either side of the triple clamps.
Oh,
ooh,
I
easy,
almost
girl.
dumped it.
Easy.
All is it gonna?
It's gonna hold. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna hold. All right, throw these in the trash. Let's take the gigantic handlebars off.
There's that. And the handlebars we will reuse. So I'm gonna put the hardware back where it goes, just lightly, just to keep it all organized. Hey.
Yay!
Okay. Next, the head tube stem. Okay, so now we're just gonna undo this nut that holds everything in this system together.
That's a big nut.
It is a big nut. There you go. Once you crack it, it should come off easily. And then everything's gonna fall out the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's support the bottom.
So let's look at all the pieces that we got to take out.
All right. So top triple, we are not going to reuse this. Okay, there is a massive bushing. We will not use this also. And then coming out the bottom, there's another bushing that's getting removed. And none of this we will reuse. Your awesome ride or die kit comes with everything you need. All right, we are here with the headless Tuttio. We have this prepped. You can put this back on if you took yours off. Just make sure you leave these two if you want to continue to use the safety.
This makes it a lot easier to work on in the future.
Correct, because it's not the first time you'll probably take the front off if you're anything like us.
Yeah.
So make sure your throttle cable's sticking out. You can put all this back on. Other than that, we are ready for the install.